Hey y'all, this is just a quick unboxing video. I wanted to show you these beautiful, beautiful handmade, that's the key word here, handmade ornaments that I received from one of my very best friends, Veronica, all the way from Bratislava, Slovakia. She owns this shop called Tapstick Design. She's on Facebook and she's on Etsy. So whatever you see here, you can purchase on Etsy. She has all different sorts of beautiful ornaments and these are heirloom quality, okay? So check the links in the description box and I'll also pin a comment. So please go check her out. Just show her shop some support, okay? But I wanted to show you these ornaments. Y'all know that I just recently got a corgi puppy named Hamilton, and she made these ornaments for Hamilton's first Christmas. So first, let me insert a picture of Hamilton here, posing with his ornaments. Okay, so now let's move on to the ornaments. This disc-shaped ornament, and there's also a round one, but I want you to look. Aren't these beautiful? And so here you could put your hook and hang them up. Have these beautiful ribbons here in this sparkly bead. Now, I do post photos of items I receive, but sometimes photos just do not do things justice. You have to see a video, like an up-close video. Yes, she hand makes these. She has all different types of dog designs, okay? But pretty much all kinds of designs, period. So there's something particular that you're looking for, you know, you can contact her and tell her what you're looking for and she'll get it done. She will get it done. But look at this up top. You have the paws, and then you have like these bows, and it's on both sides. Now this is the back of the ornament, and look at this. This is embossed. This isn't just drawn or painted on. This is actually embossed and then colored in, and it's sealed very, very well. It will last many, many years. And look at this little paw print. Is that not adorable? And now let's look around the edge of the ornament here. Can you see that? Those little paws, and it goes all the way around the ornament. I love these. And then of course we have our corgi. If you can see on here, can you see like all this texture? Like on the gifts, she put some texture there, some paint, and then this paint, you know, all of these here matches the colors here. Look at that. And then with the snow down here, she adds some texture. But is that not beautiful? So let's set that off to the side. And I think her prices are very reasonable. Let me tell you, I think they are for the quality that you're getting here. Now let's look at this one. This is a bit different. So this is the disc style, okay? And then here is the sphere, the ball. So we have 3 different corgis on here, 3 Christmas corgis. And no matter which way you hang this ornament, she has the top done here so that you can get the full effect. You can see that, the full effect, no matter which way you have the ornaments facing. But look at this, and this is heavy too. It's not so heavy that it's going to weigh your tree down, but it's got some heft to it. This is good quality. But look at all of this detail. All of these little gifts and the bows and everything looks so icy and cold and frosted. But look at those beautiful poinsettias. And then down here, can you see like the texture that she's added here? But yeah, that's so pretty. You know, this is something that, you know, you don't just hang on your tree and get rid of in a couple years. Like I said, this is like heirloom passed down quality stuff, you know, and I'm very lucky to own 3 of her ornaments. I would love to have an entire tree done in her ornaments. So I'm looking forward to receiving more in the future. And I just wanted to post a quick video just to show them to everyone. Because I did get some comments on Facebook when I posted the photo of Hamilton with his ornaments. I was like, those are beautiful. Did you paint them? No, I didn't paint them. These are done by my friend. So I just want to show you up close. Hold on. Just the work that goes into these. And this is a lot of work. I've done clay work myself. And it's a lot of work. But absolutely beautiful. Like I said, no matter which way the spheres go, you still have all of this beautiful artwork up here, you know, in its entirety, no matter what you're showing. But that not adorable? So like I said, if you would, you know, just check the comments. Check the description box. I'm going to have links to where you can find Veronica's shop so that you can go and check out her ornaments yourself. And I hope you enjoyed seeing the little photo of Hamilton, him and his little ham bone camera hog self. He loves his picture taken. But I hope you enjoyed these. I'll see y'all later. Bye.